Receiving money on T-Mobile is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances conveniently. Follow these steps to ensure you can receive funds easily. Step 1. Set up your T-Mobile account. Create or log into your T-Mobile account online or via the T-Mobile app. Ensure your account is active and in good standing to facilitate money transfers. Step 2. Choose a money transfer service. Select a money transfer service that is compatible with T-Mobile, such as PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. Make sure the service you choose allows for mobile payments and is available in your region. Step 3. Link your T-Mobile account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Provide your payment information. Share the necessary payment information with the sender. This may include your phone number associated with the money transfer service or a unique ID provided by the service. Step 5. Confirm receipt of funds. Once the sender has completed the transaction, check your T-Mobile account or the money transfer service app to confirm that the funds have been received. You may receive a notification or email confirming the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily receive money through your T-Mobile account. Always ensure you are using secure methods and services to protect your financial information.